Good morning, everyone.
No.
Mr. Chairman, Your Excellency, President Karama, Honourable Ministers, Members of Parliament, Mayors and Chairs of the local councils, traditional and religious leaders, colleague DPs and diplomats, NGOs, private sector, heads of agencies and medical staff I can see here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. We're very glad to be here and appreciate the opportunity to be part of this launch. DPs very much share the aims of this initiative to really get as good value and to make as much progress as we can on health in Sierra Leone. For that, we need to be as efficient as possible, to coordinate and to really be as effective as we can. And we see these SLAs as having potential to help us do a better job. There have been many agencies, NGOs and UN agencies, a number of community groups, youth groups, any number of people who've been involved in the fight against Ebola under the brilliant and sustained leadership of Your Excellency. And with Operation Northern Push, we're again adapting and trying our best to get there. And these agencies, these groups will have a really key role, we see, in the recovery. We really want to congratulate the Ministry of Health and Sanitation on taking forward the President's direction about early recovery and really producing good prioritised plans and pursuing that with energy and driving for implementation. As the Chair said, in the end, it's all about implementation. So we look forward to New York and seeing how far we've got and to really taking that forward over the next few months. There's some really critical issues in that early recovery around infection control and water and sanitation that are really important for staying at zero when we get there, but also for managing the risks right now. So I hope that after today we can move quickly to signing and to implementation. Just say a couple more things. I think in the Ebola fight, it's been really clear that speed and pragmatism was really critical. Also that we reviewed what we were doing and we adapted as we went. So I think it's good to think about doing that as we go forward, to think about reviewing these SLAs and how they're operating. We've really appreciated being part of the discussions in how these have evolved, and there are a number of issues that were raised in that, including timeframes and how they'd be implemented, the comprehensiveness. And so we just need to make sure we're getting it right and we're really doing the best we can. Finally, I just want to say I think the SLAs do have potential to improve transparency. And so we do encourage the Ministry to collate and publish the information, perhaps on a map, to make it clear and easy for citizens to be able to see what work is being commissioned and what they should expect to see on the ground. I think there have been a number of gains in the last year around engaging communities, and it would be really good to build on that. So let me finish by saying we're really pleased to be part of this launch, and we reaffirm our commitment to really making this work for the benefit of the people of Sierra Leone. Thank you.